Excuse me, are you feeling okay? Your energy is really heavy. Would you like me to clear it for you? Yeah? Awesome. Let's begin. First, I'm going to clear your space and offer a layer of protection and purity with this white sage. It's Reiki infused, it's beautiful, and it's so refreshing. Let's just allow this to clear your space before we get too deep. I just want you to close your eyes, bring your hands to your heart center, and take a deep breath in. Let's do it together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale it all away. And again, eyes shut, deep breath in, and exhale out. And let's just shake it out a little bit. That energy is so heavy. Perhaps you had a really long day, or there's something going on in your life that's just causing you a lot of stress, energetic stress. Let's clear that all away and you'll be feeling so much better. My hands are so hot right now. There is so much powerful light energy coming out of me to you, wherever you are in the world. I want you to be very open to receiving. Be open to receive this beautiful light, cleansing Reiki to clear your energy. Just allow it to clear everything away. Anything holding you back, anything weighing you down, holds no place in your space anymore. I want you to set a quick intention. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. It can be as simple as, I want to feel better. Set a quick intention, repeat it out loud, once or twice. And I'm going to channel that intention and send that energy, that healing energy to you. Just allow the heaviness to melt away. and allow yourself to be present in this moment. This is your time, this is your space. Allow yourself to just be zen, be present, just enjoying this moment of peace. You deserve it. Just going to pull in this powerful Lapis Lazuli stone, just to kind of waken up your spiritual side a little bit, help you feel peace and calm. This is especially helpful if you're watching this in the evening before bed or as you're winding down from the day. Allow yourself to be at peace. Allow this lapis to just pull anything away that is no longer serving you. Pulling that energy out and away. Perfect. In case you haven't noticed, I really like sage. I feel like we need extra sage tonight. I hope you're feeling so much better. I hope that your energy feels lighter. And I appreciate you so much for doing something so kind and loving for yourself. I am always here to support. I am always here to heal you. Please drop me a comment below if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I am sending you so much deep love and care. Until next time.